Hey everybody, Randy Kertz here for Bass Musician. So this month I'd like to address some things that I've seen in videos in the last couple months regarding hand pain and stretching. I'm seeing many people making videos showing different stretching techniques, and there's a couple of things there that I'd like to talk about in relation to what you should and shouldn't be doing with those techniques. First of all, the stretch that people seem to show the most is the old standby, which essentially you grab the wrist like this and pull one way or the other. Well, the problem with this stretch, as I see it, is that you've already got pain there and discomfort most of the time, so you're trying to do these, or you're trying to avoid pain and discomfort, so you're trying to stretch things out to try to make sure that the muscles don't tighten and don't stay tight and you're able to play more fluidly. The problem is with this stretch, there's no sort of control happening there, and there's no instruction as to how to do it. So people are grabbing and pulling, which is really causing stress and discomfort by itself in the first place. This is not the best stretch in the world, in my opinion, and not the best way to do it. When you pull like that and you don't do it gradually, you just sort of grab, and this is the only instruction, you're really risking causing more injury than you may be preventing or taking care of at the moment. So if you're going to do this stretch, which again I don't particularly recommend, you want to grab right here, right where the fingers are meeting the rest of the palm, and sort of pull back gradually. But again, you're not really getting a stretch here, which is what is desired, but more often you're getting discomfort back here, right in this area of the hand, which is already a problem for bassists because bassists tend to angle their hands in such a way as to cause the bones of the hand, the carpal bones, to tighten up, and they don't articulate properly, and that's what gives you pain there. This really reinforces that rather than stretches anything properly in my mind. Now, if you've been doing this stretch forever successfully and you think it helps you, that's fine. Keep on doing it. Again, not my favorite, but I would do it more gradually and I wouldn't just pull, and I really wouldn't start this stretch in the first place if you're not already doing it. Also, you want to keep the arm straight but with a little bend too. If you just go like that, which many people do in a haphazard way, and as again thinking that they're stretching something out, that's even more stress and more pain and less control. The other thing that I've seen certain people doing is they're taking a stretch that I've shown before and doing it sort of in the air with no control whatsoever. Again, not helpful. You're going like that, you're going like that, no control there. You're just pulling on things and hoping that what's happening is doing you some good. The stretch that I've shown many times before, and I'll show again here, is where you put the arm on a flat surface. So my elbow is on a flat surface, which you may or may not be able to see here, but you can certainly extrapolate it to the bottom of the screen. And then you're going to let your hand sort of hang down. Don't force it down. It may go this far, it may go that far. Either one is okay. It depends on where you're at. You take the other arm and you clasp where the fingers meet the wrist, and you let the other arm come down. I'm not gripping, I'm not grabbing, I'm merely clasping and letting this arm then come hang down. This other arm, the right one, the elbow is not touching the flat surface, it's in space. That's what's causing the stretch here, and which will open up that area so you don't have these discomforts that one can have from this playing. When you are pulling down like that, the hand should not be resisting. If the hand is resisting, again, you're just applying more force to resistance, which will cause more pain. So, like so, here's another view. You can hold that for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you can go and do the thumb in the same way. As you'll see, the motion is a bit more awkward because we're grabbing the thumb and we're going in that way. Again, don't let the wrist or the hand resist, and don't let this hit that flat surface. Let it hang down and let it stretch. You should feel a stretch on that side and in that area. Do that for the same period of time. These stretches are, again, provide some control and will allow you to either avoid discomfort or more likely take care of discomfort that you have when you have it. Randy Kertz, always available at www.drkertz.com. My book, The Basis Guide to Injury Management, Prevention, and Better Health. Feel free to email me if you like, Dr. Kertz, D-R-K-E-R-T-Z, at drkertz, drkertz.com. Book is also available now as an ebook from basebooks.com, and Skype consultations available. Anyway, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Signing off.